Welcome to the Solax Instructional Installation video series. We will guide you through the installation and commissioning of ESS-TRENE. Before installation, please prepare the following tools to ensure the installation. Before installation, please note that the following conditions are met. Use a forklift to move the cabinet to the installation site. Tear off the protective film on the package and unpack it. Cut the key off the door handle. After unpacking, please check the appearance of the cabinet to see if the cabinet is damaged, check if the cables inside the cabinet are broken, check if the screw marks are displaced. Open the package and check the materials and accessories according to the following list. ESS-TRENE offers two mounting options, forklift and crane mounted. Please choose installation methods according to the actual situation. For forklift installation, please follow the instructions in the picture strictly. For crane installation method, please strictly follow the steps below. Remove the M20 screws inside the top eye bolt holes using a torque wrench. Insert and clockwise the eye bolts. Please remember, put the silicone gaskets in place before inserting the eye bolts. Use steel pipe to tighten and ensure the lifting ring is fully tightened. After determining the installation position of the cabinet, align the holes on the angle support with the holes on the cabinet, and draw a circle on the bottom of the angle support. There are totaling 4 angle supports for a cabinet. Drill holes at the previously marked positions. After drilling, clean the foundation surface with a vacuum cleaner. Attach the angle supports to the cabinet, and insert M12 screws and tighten them clockwise using a torque wrench. Each angle support has 2 screws, with a total of 4 angle supports. Mounting screws, ensuring that the screw holes on the angle support align with the screw holes on the cabinet and foundation. Use a rubber hammer to drive the expansion bolts into the foundation screw holes, and then tighten them clockwise with a torque wrench. After the angle supports have been installed, take out the covers to seal the forklift hole and tighten the screws. Each cover has 4 screws, with a total of 4 covers. Remove the protective cover and install the antenna. Fold the antenna up 90 degrees. Now let's check the detailed location of the modules in the cabinet. For grid wiring, each country has different standards. Please choose according to your local standards. Unscrew the screws and remove the cover. Insert the grid cables through cable threading holes. Remove the waterproof cover from the grid port and connect to the grid. Please do not forget to connect the PE cable. After the connection is done, please do not forget to seal with fireproof mud. For the power on procedure, please strictly observe the following sequence. Turn on the switch of distribution box. Open up the electric switch in the order shown in the video. Power on the UPS. For the power off procedure, the sequence is the opposite of the power on procedure. Power off the UPS. Turn off the electric switch. Turn off the switch of distribution box.